Welcome to Fun Facts Online. For centuries, the story of human progress was written in concrete and steel. We built upwards and outwards, creating sprawling concrete jungles. But what if I told you that era is over? Right now, in 2025, we are witnessing a seismic shift. We are trading our concrete jungles for thriving, sustainable ecosystems. This isn't just a trend. It's a full-blown revolution in civil engineering, where human ingenuity and nature are finally learning to coexist in harmony. So how is this green boom actually happening? It's built on a few key ideas that have gone from ambitious dreams to industry standards. First up is the circular economy. Forget the wrecking ball. The new approach is deconstruction. Think of buildings like giant Lego sets. When they reach the end of their life, we don't just demolish them into rubble. We carefully take them apart so that materials like crushed concrete and steel can be reused in new projects. This drastically cuts down on waste and the need for new resources. Next, we have net zero buildings. Imagine a building that's also its own power plant. That's a net zero building. It generates as much energy as it consumes through clever designs like natural ventilation, super advanced insulation, and, of course, integrated renewable energy. Powering all of this is some seriously cool technology. Engineers are using building information modeling and digital twins, essentially creating a perfect virtual copy of a building. This digital twin provides real-time data, predicting when maintenance is needed and optimizing energy use long after the builders have gone home. Now let's get to the truly mind-blowing stuff. The megaprojects that are making this green future a reality. First, let's head to Saudi Arabia, home to NEOM, a futuristic city that's really a collection of groundbreaking projects. You have The Line, a 170-kilometer-long city with zero cars, zero streets, and zero carbon emissions, all connected by a subterranean high-speed rail. Then there's Oxagon, set to be the world's largest floating industrial city, and Trojana, a mountain destination that will have year-round skiing thanks to a massive man-made lake. Over in the North Sea, the UK is building the Dogger Bank Wind Farm. This is the world's largest offshore wind farm, with 277 turbines, some taller than the Eiffel Tower. When it's finished in 2026, it will power 6 million homes. Let's jump to India, to the Khavda Solar Park. This hybrid solar and wind farm is so enormous, covering 726 square kilometers, that it's visible from space. It even uses special solar modules that absorb sunlight from both sides to maximize energy output. Back in Saudi Arabia, the Green Riyadh project is one of the most ambitious urban forestation projects ever conceived. The goal is to plant millions of trees throughout the city, using recycled water for irrigation to cool the city and clean the air. Meanwhile, Indonesia is building an entirely new capital city from scratch. Called Nusantara, it's being designed as a smart forest city, with sustainability and green technology at its core to combat urban challenges like rising sea levels. And for something truly unique, look at Dubai The Loop. It's a proposed 93-kilometer, climate-controlled highway, but not for cars. It's for cyclists and pedestrians. The goal is to make walking and cycling the main way to get around for millions of residents. It even features kinetic paving that generates renewable energy from footsteps. All of this is powered by constant innovation. We're seeing new materials like insulation, grown from mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms, and self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks. Water conservation is also critical, with rainwater harvesting and advanced plumbing systems becoming standard. The benefits of this green revolution are huge. These projects create jobs, boost economies, and massively improve quality of life. More importantly, they help tackle the construction industry's enormous carbon footprint. As the world's population grows, the demand for sustainable infrastructure will only increase. This isn't a temporary fad, it's the future. Global initiatives are now in place to standardize and certify these green projects, making it easier than ever for governments and investors to build a world that is not only awe-inspiring and functional, but also resilient and truly in harmony with our planet. Thanks for listening to G Fun Facts Online.